Okay, so this young lady is Chenoa Maxwell, my best friend.
Hello.
And she got a new haircut today, so check it out.
Kiyah Wright, I love it.
So we've just had our fashion show.
Yes.
Let's model it.
Yes.
Please model it.
It goes in so many ways. It's
Show
so
us.
flexible.
Show us. Show
so
the world
flexible.
your new haircut.
You can wear it this way.
Okay.
You can wear it this way. Real cute.
Right. Cause see, you have it here.
You know.
It's cute.
Off your face.
All right. Let's come this way. Let's come in here so we can really see.
Okay. Yep.
We can really see. Okay. So the haircut is extremely versatile. Here she has a shortcut. And we can make it edgy, a little like layered bob, and it's really cute. And guess what else? We can flip it to this side. Look how cute this is. Don't we love?
Is it cute?
Don't we love this?
Is it cute, y'all? Ah!
I'm impressed. Anyway, the real question is,
how do I wrap it? Because every time I get a new look, I have no freaking idea how to wrap it.
Right. Okay. So, what do you think? First of all, rule number 1, no bristle brush for brushing your hair around, because what you're doing is the hair is so shiny and it's body full, it's lustrous, has a great cut, it's edgy, and we like that movement. So a bristle brush is going to stimulate this hair, the scalp, which is then going to bleed oil through the ends of your hair. Rule number 1, never a bristle brush. That is out. Get these kind, and these are the little pocket purse, little bristle, little brushes. This is like the best because it's not going to stimulate the scalp too much and the hairs are going to be able to get right through. But the first day, little tip, Kiyah tip, ding, 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 ding. I like to just use my nails because it's the most natural. It doesn't like stimulate the scalp and bring any grease and oils through. I just kind of like to whiff it around and create this sort of movement. You know what I mean? It's flowy, it's wrapped. We don't want it greasy. We want it to last at least a week. This is the problem why a lot of people's hair don't last for a week. It's all about how you wrap it. So, okay, so a bristle brush, 1. You can pick these up at the CVS right at the front desk, y'all. And a scarf, and preferably
a fashionable one.
Yes, a cute one, because you never know. You might want to go to bed with your boyfriend and you still want to be cute. Okay. So now, I always say, she always like, how do you maintain it? How do you maintain it?
You always get a friend to wrap it for you so you can also get a free head massage.
Right. That's what we're getting, some massages right now. She loves a massage job. Okay, so you wrap it in the circular pattern just with your hands. Just use your fingernails. Just wrap it around so it's nice and it's natural and it goes around. And after a while, after the first time you do it, it'll just mold right around real easy, okay? So it takes a minute, but you'll get it, okay? And right around the edges, you can brush that up because it's probably cowlicking down, so you might want to brush it upward. Okay, so take the scarf.
So now my question is, if this is my hand, right?
Right.
How do I flip? I flip the scarf this way?
Okay, first of all, do it in like a triangle.
Okay.
Where the width is at the top and the triangle is at the bottom.
Okay.
Okay, rule number 1. Width at the top, check it out. And the triangle at the bottom. Okay. Now, you have it already down. So you might want to even hold your head down so it'll stay.
Okay.
If you really want to take it to another level,
in 2 minutes,
we can get 1 bobby pin.
Oh, wow.
Guess what? Guess what I have? The large ones, dude. You have to get the large bobby pins because this is going to make it stay. Okay, go back down. Go back down. Okay, let's just imagine. And I even, guess what? Trick, Kiyah tip. You bend it ever so slightly so that it cups the hair. So they won't stick out and they just be poking. So look, you just open that up. You stick it straight down. So now you have Kiyah holding your hair down. Kiyah pins. Okay? So now you keep wrapping. And you can take it to another level. This is how they do it. These are like the doobies in New York. Okay? This is how they do a doobie. And you take another one. Remember, tip, Kiyah tip. Bend it ever so slightly. And this is like your little placemark. It just holds everything down. Okay, now you have 2. I don't like too many because I don't like dents in the hair. But if you have it mastered, or if you have not mastered it, you can keep using the pins. Okay, so now, here we go. Hold down, and I like to swivel it around. Swivel, swivel right into the pattern.
What happens to these? You just move
get
them
that
around?
later. Yeah, you move that around. And you look, check it out in the mirror. And look, I'm like circling it. Stay straight. She's trying to get a massage, people. She's getting all into it. And then you just kind of make it a cute little dingo, but you get that later.
Okay.
See all the little pieces that are left out in the mirror? Look in the mirror. Check it out. Check it out. Okay, you get that later. Let's get that later. Here. Take and tie it up.
All right.
Tie it up nicely. And then you go back and you make it cute. And she's really good at going to bed with the cute little hair wraps. Tip number two. Don't try to not cover your ears. Because ladies, we're not listening. What do you need to hear? You're sleeping.
Yes, but I don't like my ears compressed down.
You have to. Because then you're not going to lay your edges down. And you always have a problem with kinky edges. And guess what she does?
Kinky
edges. She hates her. So she gets conditioner. And puts conditioner on her edges to lay them down. People,
it works. It works.
No.
Don't have me giving philosophies of natural products.
No, that's when you pull out the stick. The stick gets the little.
That's why you have a best friend who does hair, because she'll get you to do things like this for her. This is so much love.
Yeah. Okay, so this is how you do it, and then you tuck all your little tuckies. Check it out. All your little tuckies. I like to put it over the ears so I can really get a good grip on it. Okay. All right, check it out. All right, and there you go. She's cute. Do you feel cute? Slightly.
Do I feel cute? I don't know if I feel cute, but I feel good for the morning.
All right. And guess what? You'll be cuter tomorrow.
I'll be cuter tomorrow.
All right, girl.
That's all that matters.
All right, so that's how we do it. Wrapping your hair at night is easy. Bobby pins, silk scarf, and a paddle brush. That's it. Peace. Get it.